first thing I do before I cook is wash my hands. So for the ingredients you're gonna need chickpeas. The amount you'll need will depend on how much you want to make. Tahini. Lemon juice. Olive oil. Garlic. And salt. First thing we're going to need is garlic. You can chop it, or you can use a garlic press. Next you need to add the chickpeas to drain out all the gunk. Then you put it in. Add about 2 or 3 lemons worth of lemon juice. Don't forget about the salt. Next add some tahini. Now you blend it.